the deer trail. Ordinarily, this is a drainage ditch and it's all mud, so you can't really walk down it. And we just discovered the other day that because it's frozen, it makes a nifty little hiking path. Although it's unfortunately a little short, which you'll see in just a moment. We are going to be halfway around the block. But the deer like to walk through here, and you can see there's a path there. There's a path there, and they're all up along the ridge here. Apparently they like to walk there, so does Angel. And the other day, the first time we did this, we got to the end, and sure enough, there was two huge deer standing there looking at us. Come on, Angel, we're gonna go this way. Don't go in there, baby. Come on. Good girl. So this is the back of the local bar where they play volleyball in the summer. And we just came out the other side of the little trail. And the other day, the deer were standing right up there. So we're going to continue here and probably not see any deer, but enjoy our little bit of a walk.